today's video, I show you how to get these jumbo rose gold space buns. This look is super easy to do and it's perfect for hot weather, so if you'd like to see how I do this, just keep watching. Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rochelle and this is Discocurlstv. If you're new here, welcome. My channel provides tips on how to care for your fine curly hair so that you feel empowered and supported to be the best version of yourself. Not too long ago, Dark and Lovely launched these Go Intense color sprays and they came out with a bunch of shades, but my favorite so far is this rose gold, and it's because it's so pigmented. It's got this like metallic finish and it's very like prismatic. The best part about these color sprays is that they are temporary, so you can wash them out in one shampoo and not damage your curls. So let's go ahead and dive right into this tutorial. For this, you will need 2 elastics, bobby pins, a spray bottle with water or a leave-in conditioner, edge control and a toothbrush, clip-in extensions, and Dark and Lovely Go Intense color spray in rose gold. So it's best to start on dry hair, and I like to use temporary hair color on the same day that I plan to wash my hair, just so it doesn't rub off on my pillow at night. Next, I'm going to use a comb to section my hair down the middle. I like to take my time when I do this, but you can definitely use a detangling spray to help make this transition smoother. My hair just gets a bit more tangled by the 3rd day. Now I'm going to secure one side out of the way so I can focus on the other, and then I like to map out how high I want my ponytails. I'm also pulling down these short little curls down here by my ear, and now I'm going to spray a little of my DevaCurl No Comb Detangling Spray on the back of my section to help smooth the bumps. This isn't meant to be a smooth and polished hairstyle, but you can definitely make it smoother with a brush if you like. Now I'm going to secure the ponytail with an elastic and repeat on the other side. Because my hair is on the fine side, I'm going to bulk it up with some clip-in extensions. This is totally optional, but it's great when your hair is on the shorter side. When you use clip-ins, make sure that you start with them open and snap them closed when they are in the right place. You can also use extensions without clips. Just wrap the weft around the base of the ponytail and pin it with bobby pins as you go. After your clip-ins are in and secure, start twisting the ponytail and create a bun. Use bobby pins to hold the bun in place and repeat this step on the other side. Next, I'm going to spray my little sideburns with that same detangling spray to define and smooth the curls down. I'm going to create finger coils on each side. Now I'm going to add edge control along my hairline and smooth it down using a toothbrush. And lastly, I'm going to add in the Dark and Lovely color spray. First, I'm going to wrap a towel around myself, and then I'm going to shake the can well and spray a few inches away from the area that I want to add color. I really love how pigmented this color is, and I'm just going to spray the actual buns themselves to give this an ombre effect. And I'm also going to spray a little bit on those finger coils that I created near my ears. So this is the final look. As I said before, I love how easy this is, and I'm excited to rock this hairstyle this summer. I'd love to get your feedback on this hairstyle, and also tell me if you've tried the Dark and Lovely Go Intense color sprays down below in the comments. If you're new to the Fine Curly crew, I'd love to have you subscribe so that you never miss another one of my videos. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you are properly notified of when I post new content. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.